Disciple. A movie by Chaitanya Tamhane is not a movie about Sharad, our protagonist, but it's a movie about the purity of ancient classical music and how it has fallen into the ruins of the modern age. The three disciples are Sharad, his teacher, and his father. They all have spent their life learning the art from their respective teachers from a different timeline. But the core leads to the ultimate one, the mystical teacher called Ajji. Ajji is the ultimate one, and she has reached the highest level of classical music. She is the one everyone respects, and her voice is believed to be the most beautiful. But we don't hear her sing even once in the movie. The only things we hear are her lectures, which were recorded by one of her students. These lectures are so rare that only Sharad has one piece of it, and he never shared it with anyone. The voiceover of these lectures is included in the film, not merely for the sake of motivation to Sharad, but to also foreshadow his downfall and the music overall. Sharad wants to learn and master Khayal music, as every singer in the film, but he has something special with him, something that is very rare and precious, the tapes of Ajji's lecture. Ajji is the ultimate one, and the lectures are on her knowledge of reaching the truth of music. Sharad, even after being the only one listening to these sacred tapes, acts exactly opposite to what she has taught and eventually stops listening to the tapes, which means he stops listening to the truth he needed. Ajji makes a point that the music demands purity to master the music. But Sharad spends his time watching porn, greedy thoughts, and being jealous of others. With such actions and thoughts, his music was destined to get worse, and that's what happened. The music becomes so worse that the director related this music with porn by this single cut. Ajji, at the beginning of the film, tells that not even 10 lifetimes are enough to learn this music, and you should be ready to sacrifice everything for it: money, fame, friends, and even family. But Sharad, on the other hand, does the exact opposite of it. Broken within with the notion of money, fame, and lust, gives up the music, abandoning the stage, leaving it empty to never perform again. The importance and purity of music is not only been ridiculed by the singers like Sharad, but also by society throughout the generations. The people who sold this kind of music themselves don't respect it. People think it's boring and it is better to listen or do something entertaining. The respect for gurus also diminished. Where before the disciples used to be their servants, now they are being treated as some normal individuals. It even reached at such a level that the gurus, which were once called god and goddesses of music, are now presented with rumors of drinking rum before the show and some of them being prostitutes. This downfall throughout the society is perfectly shown by Chaitanya through series of shots of a girl who makes her journey on TV with classical music and ends up singing commercial songs for the sake of the society's entertainment.